Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Monday. There is a sea of red out there. Obviously a lot happening in the world. The market is reacting. We kind of knew this was coming. It's maybe a bit worse than we thought it would be. That being said, we're not going to be making any rash decisions on the portfolio. In fact, I did a new purchase today, so I wanted to stick. I'm basically sticking with the plan. That's going to be, I think, my saying from now on for the next little while. Lots of uncertainty out there, lots of volatility out there, and it's easy to make rash decisions, I think, with investing. I'm not going to be making those rash decisions. Hopefully you are sticking to your plan as well too. That being said, I was looking through my portfolio. We won't get into the update. It is all red today, not looking good, apart for a couple of the stocks in the renewable sector that I do have, which is nice to see a little bit up. We'll do an update kind of midweek. I think when the markets, it's Monday, I think when everything hopefully maybe starts to kind of get maybe a little bit of a settle down. By Wednesday, we'll do an update how the portfolio is doing. That being said, was going through my portfolio, taking a look. This is the perfect time to possibly look at your portfolio. Make sure you still have the investments that you want to have. But again, don't make any rash decisions in terms of selling, switching things around. But there might be some positions that you want to add to for the long term. And what I actually going through my portfolio, I realized I haven't done a purchase of VDY since the end of January. So I purchased 2 shares of VDY. That's the Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF from Vanguard. That will give me the regular monthly dividends, and I think the dividends going forward will be nice, especially in this market uncertainty. Hopefully the dividends will keep up and we can kind of keep adding to our portfolio that way. So just purchased 2 shares of that, added to the positions. Let me know down in the comments below if you're making any purchases. It's always interesting to see and hear what other people are doing, especially in these times when, you know, it's easy to, when the market is going up and going crazy, it's easy to be very optimistic and buy. It's definitely harder to do it when the market is down. But again, I don't think this is what it is time in the market is better than timing the market. So we're gonna stick with the plan. You're gonna hear that again and again, I think, going forward for the next little while. Stick to the plan, don't make any rash decisions, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, channel's growing great. With the portfolio might be down, but the subscribers are up, so it's great to have everybody that's been joining along. We are actually almost at 800 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. So if you aren't subscribed, check out the button down below. It's like I say, it's always free to subscribe. It'd be great to have you join along. Great community we're building here. Lots of awesome comments. I read all your comments. I appreciate everybody's comments. Learning as we go here. Hopefully you're learning as well. That's all, everybody. Stay safe out there. Don't maybe look at your portfolio if you don't have to, and we'll see you in the next video.